1/8 Apache, 3/4 Cherokee, 1/8 Mohawk, 3/4 Choctaw, 1/8 Blackfoot, 3/4 Red Sox. I'm more Indian nerve than all of y'all. Whoa, whoa. I got a proud nose and high cheekbones. Just call my pine cone, it's my fucking telephone. And then we'll smoke a bowl around the totem pole and ride a buffalo to the casino. Whoa, whoa. 1/8 Apache, 3/4 Cherokee, 1/8 Mohawk, 3/4 Choctaw, 1/8 Blackfoot, 3/4 Red Sox. I'm more Indian nerve than all of y'all. Whoa, whoa. So you wanna powwow? Well, let me show you how. We'll do a rain dance for my magic plants, but don't you fuck with my Indian burial mound, or you'll be fucking dead, 'cause my arrowhead, yeah. 1/8 Apache, 3/4 Cherokee, 1/8 Mohawk, 3/4 Choctaw, 1/8 Blackfoot, 3/4 Red Sox. I'm more Indian nerve than all of y'all. Whoa, whoa. You can't see me hiding in my teepee. I'm eating popcorn from my fucking elk's horn. I fuck this white bitch with my thunder stick. I got a Tommy hawk, and I can understand when the little birdies talk. Whoa, whoa. 1/8 Apache, 3/4 Cherokee, 1/8 Mohawk, 3/4 Choctaw, 1/8 Blackfoot, 3/4 Red Sox. I'm more Indian nerve than all of y'all. 1/8 Apache, 3/4 Cherokee, 1/8 Mohawk, 3/4 Choctaw, 1/8 Blackfoot, 3/4 Red Sox. I'm more Indian nerve than all of y'all, all of y'all, all of y'all, all of y'all.
Bye. Oh!
Dude, I felt that. What the hell?